All right, so here is the login page. So the students have to input the registration number or matric number, then an access code. This access code is unique to each student for every exam. So then select the exam and click on login. So at first the student will be redirected to the dashboard. Here's the dashboard showing the students information, and uh, now a button is here where the student will just start the exam. So now let's click on start exam. So here's it. Yeah. So the students have less than 10 minutes for the 13 questions. So the questions, you can add images to your question. Here is a multi-choice question that has image. So you can decide to use keyboard keys: A to select option A, B to select option B, C to select option C, D to select option D. So and N for next. So this is another question type different from the multi-choice question. So this is fill in the gap, where the students can fill what the answer is, and and N for next, or you click here. So this is another question type called the true or false question type. So you can, for this you can either use T or F on your keyboard key, or you select right on the screen, then next. So the student has a calculator here. Here is a calculator. So on clicking it, the calculator will pop up, and also there's a feature here. You can see this, the status showing connected. So the connected status here is, so this will enable the student to know that okay, your system is still connected to the exam server. So let me put off my data now. So let's see what the status will change to. So it changed to disconnected. So now with that, the student will easily know that the system is currently not connected to the server, either offline or online. So and now it will change to connected. So that is one of the features, one of the unique features of this software. Another one is the anti-cheating feature. When a student tries to open a tab or go to another app, the system will automatically give a warning. Look at this now. Look at this. You can see cheating detected. You will be logged out if you attempt that again. That is first attempt. Another one. So on the fourth attempt, the student will be logged out. And here is it. You can see the student is logged out even before coming back. The student will just see that the system automatically submits. So that is that. let me try to grant the student an access to log in again now. Okay, so now let's try to log in again for the students. So I granted an access for the student to re-log in. So here I want to show you another feature, which is the ability to retain the time. And so you can see the time is being restored and the question shuffled, but the option selected remain there. So if you can remember this, here where I inputted 700 MB and this. So that is the ability to retain the options selected by the students in case of any technical glitch or whatever. So that is that about the student.